Hi, I'm David and welcome to today's Techned tutorial in which we will use the, I think, strangely named Spline tool to trace around a picture that I took from the internet, and we're going to use this for our chocolate mold. First thing I'll do is insert the image I want to trace. So you'll go up to Insert and then you're going to scroll down to Attached Canvas. Once this appears, you need to select image. I'm just clicking that little button there, and then what Fusion 360 will do will ask you to select the image you want to insert. So I'm going to go for the shamrock, select that, and it puts it in straight away. So from here I'm going to click on top and I'm going to zoom in. Right, let's start tracing it. First step, go up to Sketch, scroll down and select Spline, and then select Fit Point Spline as well. Okay. And then I'm just going to zoom out and then zoom back in here, and I'm going to select by left clicking on the first point that I want to start tracing it from. Again, I suggest zooming in so you can pay attention to detail, and then what we're doing here, we're just left clicking on the different points, okay, that I'm going to trace. Notice how I'm trying to keep as close to the shape as possible. Now you will see each point has two other circles at the end of it. These are called curvature handles, and these will allow you to adjust the angle of the circle, or the curvature as they say. You really need to take your time with this, and the more time you spend on it, the better your tracing will become. Okay, now you can see I'm just going to go back out of here. I'm just going to start playing around, left clicking on it and just dragging it left or right a little bit, and you can also move that set point there. I'm going to go back and I'm going to check the curvature angle again. It does require a little bit of patience, of course, but that will pay off in the long run. I'm just going to fast forward a little bit here, but it did take me 5 minutes to trace this particular shape, and that would be the minimum requirement for the first time you use the Spline tool to do any drawing or tracing. Okay, thanks for watching this tutorial on using the Spline tool for drawing or tracing shapes in Fusion 360. See you next time.